Don't know where to ride for your next two-day trip? Join me in San Francisco. The most famous landmark of San Francisco has to be the Golden Gate Bridge. Ride through the Red Hill Bridge and immerse yourself in your favorite movie scenes. The Golden Gate Bridge opened 87 years ago and spans 1.7 miles through the deepest part of the bay. I personally like coming here on foggy days because it completes the look of SF. Ride northbound to Marine Headlands for the most scenic route in America. That's also where I took the intro of this video. Immediately off the bridge is the Presidio. Its military history dates back to 1776 and was decommissioned in the 90s. Now the Presidio is known for having great roads that feel very distinct from the city. There are also wide open spaces like the Christie Field to put down your picnic blanket and relax after that long ride. Fun fact, the annual Distinguished Gentleman's Ride starts in the Presidio and we ride around the city to raise awareness for men's health. You will see me there this May. For over 100 years, the Palace of Fine Arts is easily the most photogenic landmark of the city. It serves many purposes over the years, but the structure and the surrounding lagoon are instantly recognizable and is a popular spot for graduation and wedding photos. Now we're at the marinas. Did you know this upscale neighborhood is built on a landfill? Well, rich people leave their boats here, so it must be okay, right? Jokes aside, the marinas has lots of good food, so head down to Chestnut Street and fill your empty stomachs. After a short ride through the marinas and the Pacific Heights, we arrived at Lombard Street. This is the famous, very steep 8-hairpin road that attracts millions of visitors every year. This block is laid with red bricks with actual residentials on both sides. Since we're already in the neighborhood, let's go to Pier 39, why not? Also known as the Fisherman's Wharf. There are lots and lots of restaurants and shops along the pier. My favorite is Bodine Clam Chowder in a sourdough bowl. FYI, it is super photogenic at night. The actual Pier 39 is also where you can take ferries to Alcatraz and to Angel Island. Keep riding down the Embarcadero and you will hit the ferry building. Yes, you can take actual ferries here, but most people come here for overpriced food and shops. They're actually all really good, but you just pay for the view. I personally like coming here for photo shoots, but that's just weird old me. I want to circle back to Golden Gate Park. It was inspired by Manhattan's Central Park but taken to the extreme. Golden Gate Park is extremely foresty and has wide open lawns and lakes all over. It is also filled with museums and fun outdoor activities for your next date. More importantly, the park is a pleasure to ride through on a weekday. I wouldn't suggest coming here on the weekends because some of the park is not open to traffic and there are tons of people hanging out. I don't like people. I'm saving my personal favorite for last. Twin Peaks is in the smack middle of San Francisco where you get a panoramic view of the city. The road to come up is a bit short, but the 3 turns are fantastic. Park your bike and walk up these stairs for an ultimate view. Come for the sunset and stay for the nightscape. Don't forget to bring an extra jacket because it does get chilly up here, and don't be too alarmed if you see teens misbehaving. I am so happy to share with you my favorite spots as a San Francisco native. I hope you enjoyed the video and don't forget to like and subscribe to support the channel. Next week, I'll be back with episode 3 of my K100 Cafe Racer build series. I'll see you then.